guys, so I have some people ask questions from me about stuff. So my tick is not always not always tick. Like when I'm speaking, when I'm excited, nervous, thinking about it is worse. So when I'm by myself, relaxed, it's not so bad. Okay, sorry. But if you want to see what I do in my eyeliner, I'll show you. So first I do from the eye thing to like the top of my eyebrow, like that. Like that, and then I connect it with the crease thing, yeah, like that. Then I do line like that, and then black eyeshadow. Like that. Nice. Boom! Nice! You guys, it's all so nice, man. Yeah, so nice. I love you all. Heart! I love you all. You're so kind. You're all so nice. Thank you for the follow and heart. I love you all. America, Hamburg country. Yes.
Every day, many people tell me, Yuri, please say Oni-chan. Yuri, can you say Oni-chan? Okay. お兄ちゃんちょっと皆さんいいですか？青森ナイチンゲールです。ちょっと皆さんいいですか？青森ナイチンゲールです。羽ばたいたら戻らないと言って目指したのは青いあの空。します。